All right, welcome back to Module 3. What these steps are doing is better preparing you for whenever you go get credit and companies look at your credibility. Uh, they want to make sure they're giving credit to a company, a company that is in good standings. So right here in Module 3, we want to get an 800 number. You must have a dedicated business phone number that is listed with 411 directory assistance. It must be in 411 directory assistance. Under the business name, the lenders, vendors, creditors, and even insurance providers will verify that your business is listed with 411. A toll free number will give your business credibility, but you must have a local business number for listings with 411 directory assistance. You can get a free toll-free 800 number for $2 a month, and the people I use is Call Late. There is a link right there to take you over here. They also have 877 numbers, 888 numbers, and it's just $2 a month. I use them for $2 a month. And when companies go to check you out, and you have a toll-free number, you look even more professional. So as of this step right here in Module 3, you should already picked out your business in Module 1. You should already have your virtual office. And then right here, you get your toll-free number. You're getting better and better. Your business is looking better. All right, I'll see you on Module 4.